You are here. This person knows now who I'm talking to.
Yes.
I don't know. I'm really out of words.
Speechless.
Guys, Australia has a lot of coins.
Hi guys. Welcome to our channel, Silver Fanatic.
Okay guys,
today's video.
It's an
interesting one.
Inspired
Yes.
by Saj, guys.
Yes.
Yeah, Saj inspired this video for today.
Yes.
Where we're going to show our first silver coin
That we bought.
Yes.
Yes.
Guys. So today, I think most of you already seen it.
Yeah.
You know which one is it? Okay, guys, it's this one.
Yes.
The Bambi.
Yes.
It's the Bambi, guys.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me just try and take it out.
Because
So
it's
you can
already
see,
went
through
a
a lot. So you can see the toning on it, guys. The toning. Okay. Yeah, here it is, guys. So you can see the toning, it's getting there.
Yeah.
Yeah,
we want it to be.
Yes, where we want it to be. We touched this one, guys. We touched it, guys.
A lot.
Expect Stacker even laughed at us when we said, when we first bought this coin, we almost slept with it. The interest that was there was so amazing. We were so excited. We can still remember it still today. How excited we were. We just bought this one.
Yes.
This was our first coin, guys.
Bullion coin.
And the reason behind it's appropriate for us, guys, because
we did research before.
Yeah, we did our research.
We
watch a lot of videos, so it's appropriate for us to get this coin, guys, since we are here in South Africa.
Yes.
It will be easy for us to sell this one because most of the coin shop here, they take they prefer Kruger rand whenever it's time to part ways, guys. So whenever you go around to the bullion shops, they will say that prefer Kruger rand. So we found that it's appropriate for us then to stick to a Kruger rand.
That's true.
Since we are here. But when it comes to gold, they said that they
anything.
Take anything.
Gold is gold.
Gold is gold, guys.
Yes.
So they're not too fussy about gold.
It's only
when
silver.
It comes to silver, they prefer a Kruger rand. So yeah.
So that was the reason for us to
go for this one. This Bambi. Yes, guys, to go for the Bambi. Okay, guys, for an example, for somebody that stays in America, guys, it would really be appropriate for that person to go for an ASE, guys. Okay, it would really be appropriate, guys, to go for an ASE.
That's
guys.
True.
And here in America, you'll find legs of PIFs. Yes, the veterans of you out there, United States, guys, will find the legs of PIFs. On all the channel that I'll mention here, guys, a great channel. Please go watch them and subscribe to them, guys. Okay, so these will be your mentors, guys, PIFs, guys, and there's a lot of other guys in the US, guys. So it's appropriate for a person that stays in the US.
It's gonna take too long if we mention everyone.
It's really so it's appropriate for the person that stays in the US to stake more of the ASE, guys. Okay, all right. Okay, and then we move on, maybe, guys, to Canada. You know the beavers. Yes, guys.
There's also a mini now.
The beaver. You'll find the mini
beaver.
You'll find the mini beaver there in Canada, guys. Everyone knows the mini beaver now. If you say you don't know the mini beaver, I suggest you go to Milsteak, guys.
Yeah.
You go to his channel, you will be introduced to mini beaver, guys. Okay. Then you'll get to know who's mini beaver. Okay, so yeah, you'll get the legs of Milsteak, Wild West, Saj, yes. the one that inspired today's video. You'll get a lot of people here in Canada, guys. Yes, those are all great channels.
Also trade with them.
Yeah, you can.
Whenever you're in Canada, because
those will be your mentor, guys. When it comes to staking silver and gold, guys.
On the Canada
coins. Yes, guys. So it's appropriate for a person that stays in Canada to go for this one. I would assume, yes, to be appropriate. It's easy to part ways
with this one.
Then
the other ones.
Yes, then the other ones, guys. Okay, and then here. In Australia, guys, in Australia, I think if you stay there, this would be appropriate.
It's also to have it
for you. If you are staying in Australia, here in Australia, you find the legs of CoinSpot.
Yes.
Collectible with Dave, guys, and those are interesting. Really enjoyable channels. Those we watch all the time, guys. Okay,
there's so many.
There are so many, guys. You'll find through the time stacker, guys, there in Australia as well, along with CoinSpot, guys. Okay, so in Australia, this would be an appropriate one to stake if you are there. So the mentors that I've just mentioned, you'll find them there. They'll mentor you around and show you around. So, and this one as well, Australia.
Also from there.
Yeah, Australia.
They got a lot of coins.
Hey, you can be stylish when you're staking Australian. If you stay in Australia,
and you can prefer your country coins.
You prefer your country coins. I think you would not get bored.
Yeah.
You really be stylish, guys. I'll put the Australian coins there together. Yes, guys. This one, the Britannia.
Yes, British.
Yeah, British England, guys. Okay. Yeah, it will be appropriate for you to stake this one. I'm sure there's people that we know in there as well. Okay, I think just today's video is gonna show you that staking is just more than making videos. It's making friends all over around the world, guys. So it's really
like
nice.
A family. Guys. You got family around the world.
You meet a lot of people
around.
It's a mistake. You meet a lot of people, so it's more of just meeting friends, getting to know people around the world, guys.
You learn also about coins,
guys. Okay, for a person that's there in England,
it will be appropriate
to stake this one, guys. Okay,
because the next one, I think we were so excited to see the tour of it when you are going to exchange it.
Yeah, to exchange it.
The coin.
Yes, when you are here. This person knows now who I'm talking to. Korean. When you're in Korea, guys, you meet the legs of experts, guys. I gave us a tour on one of his videos. Interesting. We loved it, guys. We got a glimpse of what Korea looks like, guys. Okay.
So we got our tour guide.
Yes. He really showed a little bit of what Korea looks like. He explained. They took us on a tour, guys. As we always say, we're building our bank, guys. That video really showed that. Whenever we say you're building your own bank, guys,
with this,
you don't feel any paperwork or anything. You just grab and put in the bag and then go to your nearest bullion shop.
Do whatever you wanna do
without filling any paperwork, guys.
And
no 100 questions asked.
Yes,
this is your own bank, guys. Okay, so Korean guys, experts you'll find there. It's appropriate, guys, if you stay that side to stake more of these Comsco, right?
Yeah.
Comsco
coins.
Yes. With that reflecting AG39. Yes, guys. So it will be appropriate to stake these Korean tiger, guys. Okay. All right, guys, and then the panda.
Yeah,
Chinese panda.
Also, when you're in China.
Yeah, when you're in China, it's appropriate to go for this series. It's more of a series, guys. The Chinese panda, guys. I think they, but it's from Japan. We'll associate it with China. Yes,
I think they named us.
Tatus. I hope I'm not butchering the name.
Yes.
If I am, I'm really sorry, my friend. Tatus.
Then Japan.
In Japan. Imagine in Japan, knowing people from Japan. Hey guys, I
this
tell
is
you,
exciting.
if you want, you're still waiting for monetization. For us, monetization has already happened.
This
Meeting
is
people all over the world it's
a
priceless.
blessing.
It's a blessing, guys, for us. It's really like monetization
Yes.
already. Yes, guys. Okay, if you are in Germany, this live, guys. Okay,
Beautiful.
I'm sure there are people in Germany.
Yes.
I'm not sure, but it's just that we don't know everybody where they are. Exactly. Yes, guys, this will be the coin.
But
guys,
they can leave their comment below so that you'll know exactly where you are.
Yes, guys, as we mentioned, Australia, guys, they're stylish.
Yes, beautiful.
Really beautiful, guys. Okay.
They got beautiful coins.
If you stay there in Australia, guys, you'll really be blessed.
With coins.
I don't even know where to put them now.
There's so many.
You'll really be blessed, guys. I tell you, if you stay in Australia.
So many beautiful.
You will really have beautiful coins to stack.
Yes.
I don't know. I'm really out of words. Guys, Australia has a lot of coins, guys. A lot. This is just a glimpse of what they have.
Yeah, we don't have all their coins.
Yes, we don't even have all of their coins, but you really won't be bored. You really won't be. They all have a queen at the back, guys. Okay, that is why I'm not showing the back.
They're all the same.
They're all the same. They all have a queen. So you really won't be bored, guys, when you are in Australia, guys. Okay. All right, guys. I think today's video was just about that, and not forgetting our neighbor
Africa,
Congo. Yes, guys, I'm not forgetting Congo, guys. Right next to us, guys. There is some beautiful coins I saw on other channels. Yes, guys, if you're staying in Congo, this is appropriate for you, guys. Okay.
So many.
So yeah. All right, guys. I think today's video is just about that, guys.
You can have a lot of opportunity to stake.
Yes, guys, and create friends at the same time, guys. All over the world, guys. If you're waiting for monetization,
this is it.
For us, this is it. Knowing people, interacting, being friends. That's really priceless. That is really priceless, guys. It's more than monetization. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, guys.
For subscribing.
Yes, to our subscribers, guys. Thanks a lot. We really appreciate it, guys.
Comment,
guys, and don't forget the like button. That's a magic button. Like button, guys. Thanks a lot. I think today's video was just about
the special coin.
Yes. Okay.
Thank you. Bye.